Today I'm sharing with you amazing, gorgeous pieces that are either 100% cotton or 100% linen or a combination blend of both. These are also higher end looks for less, so if you like shopping Z Supply, Nordstrom, and Taylor, Free People, Ever Eve, I've got you covered. If you're brand new here, I am 5'7". All of these pieces are in a size small. I'll let you know if they come in a set or not. And I have 4 kids ages 5 through 12. I also work full time, so I love pieces that are easy breezy, comfortable, and all natural, especially ones that don't break the bank. Everything I talk about here today will be linked down below in one nice easy link because this is going to be part 1 of a several part series. So I will have everything included. When you click that link, you'll be able to see the different sizing options and color options. So if you don't like the color option that I'm sharing you here today, you'll easily be able to see everything in that one nice easy link. And if you're watching from your TV or your iPad, you can scan the QR code on screen. It will take you to everything in this video. This gorgeous 2-piece set, I put this on. I fell absolutely in love. I bought something in previous years, however, it was not 100% cotton, and I'm still loving it, but this color combination here, I'm just so excited about. 100% cotton, I love that. This is lightweight enough. This is perfect for summer. I love the pants. This is also a piece that's very versatile. So you could dress this down with some white sneakers, but you could also elevate it with a nice pump, ballet flat, or wedge sandal. And these 2 colors right here, absolutely timeless. This is such an effortless, elevated piece that I'll be wearing on repeat this summer. Coming to you with the Amazon Essentials brand, 100% cotton. Now, I'm not going to say that for every piece that I show you here today, but rest assured, this little black baby doll dress goes with so many different things. In fact, you could probably belt this just to up-level it a little bit more if you want to show off your figure or your waist. I have a belt that I'm going to show you a little bit later in this video that I absolutely love when it comes to summer attire. The length on this is perfect. The sleeves are perfect. It's lightweight enough, but also really great quality of material. You can dress this up. You can dress this down just depending upon, well, what you have going on. This floral romper, so effortless, lightweight, high-end look for less. I love the spaghetti straps on this. You can wear a tank top under this. You could wear a white t-shirt under this or a color one should you decide to. I wanted to show you what this looks like without anything underneath, because if it is really hot where you are going or where you are living, assuming you may be vacationing and traveling a little bit this summer, because you want pieces that are effortless, nice and lightweight. I love the spaghetti straps. They are fully adjustable, great length on these as well. This is one of those jumpers that I put on that I did not want to take off. Beautiful white eyelet dress. You can never go wrong with this because really dress it up, dress it down, great for vacation, great for everyday summer wear. If you have an event coming up, you can totally make this super chic, super cute, depending upon the accessories, the shoe, the handbag that you pair this with. I love the V-neck detail on this, so you can really showcase some of your favorite jewelry. Also love the length so that you can show off a little bit of leg without it being too, ooh, shall I say, I was gonna say raunchy, but I feel like inappropriate fits that much better. At the age of 41 and 4 kids, I am not into like mini skirts anymore. I mean, definitely in my 20s, but those years have passed. You know, oftentimes you see ladies in their 40s and their 50s and just maybe wearing things that are not necessarily flattering to the body or age appropriate. I've definitely been guilty of that from time to time, but this one is going to give you all of those classy vibes. A little coupe-she piece for you. I love their pieces. Now this could be a beach cover, but it could also be an everyday perfect summer dress. You can also belt this with a really fun rattan belt should you want to. Love the beautiful buttons on here, the V-neck detail, very lightweight, very airy. I love this just with a flat sandal if you have that. Very comfortable, a nice flip-flop if you will. Put a really fun rattan summer hat with this and you are set. You could even wear this to the baseball game. Put a baseball hat and some white sneakers. Just a classic piece to have in your closet. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up right now so that it can reach more people. I would greatly appreciate that. This next little summer dress, I saw it hanging up and I was not really impressed by it, but I put it on and I fell in love, 100% in love. Part of it might have to do with the fire engine red color and the fit on this. This is definitely also a high-end look for less. In fact, I'm going on a date with my husband this Friday and I think I might be wearing this dress. We're gonna go out to a little restaurant near the lake, so this is perfect for that. Now, something to note on this dress, I did try to avoid it with several of the dresses, but this is 55% cotton, 45% linen, but the lining is 100% polyester. Even with that being said, I love this. These next pieces pieces did not come together, but they paired together so nicely. Let's start off with this Effortless green button-down short sleeve shirt. You can wear this with white shorts. You can pair it with the skirt that I'm going to talk about here in just a second. Love this green color, very effortless. Button this up, leave it open. You could half tuck it. A lot of possibilities with these. I'm going to be living in these button-downs because I think they just look so elegant and elevated without having to put a ton of effort in. And this little gem right here, 100% cotton. Now this skirt, just so beautiful. I've seen this sort of circulate around the interwebs and has gone viral, and I love this. It's so chic, so comfortable. Definitely something you can elevate or make more casual depending upon what you have going on for that day. The built-in belts here, you could tie it in a bow, you can just do a nice little knot with it. This piece is 100% cotton, and this is going to pair so nicely with so many different things, even just a really nice white t-shirt or a white tank top depending upon the weather. Another flowy, effortless white dress. I cannot get enough of these, especially in the summertime, because they just look like you didn't even have to try. But I cannot help gravitate towards someone wearing a beautiful white crisp top, bottom, dress. Love the beautiful buttons on the front. This is also a dress that you could belt or leave completely airy and effortless. This would be an excellent dress for a European vacation, even something that you have local. This striped dress and the color combination on this, I love that the straps are fully adjustable. You could showcase some jewelry should you want to, and I love the little peekaboo back detail. I think that is super gorgeous. Love the length on this, very airy, very timeless. You can never go wrong with a classic stripe, especially in this color combination, because the neutrals are the things that we tend to gravitate toward year after year and are timeless. Now don't get me wrong, I absolutely love some color, as you can see here. These next two pieces did not come together, but they paired together so nicely. So let's start here with this top. This gorgeous detail here on the front just elevates it. Love the sleeves. They are cuffed, which is really nice. It just adds a little touch of being put together. So you could wear this to the office. You can wear this for everyday wear. You can even pair this with some white shorts or jean shorts. Tuck it in, leave it out, very easy breezy. And then I just paired it here with these striped pants. Love this color combination. This is something that I tend to gravitate towards because I love a lot of color even when it comes to pants, but I know these are something that are going to be just classic in my closet, and they're going to go with so many different things. I love nice stretchy detail, also a tie front. The length on this is really fun, so you can wear it with a ballet flat, pair it with a heel, or even a white sneaker. I have a lot of favorites in this video, but this next one is definitely my top 5. I put this on, did not want to take this off, and I love this green color. It's sort of, I don't know what you would call it, like a mossy green, very comfortable, high-end, look for less. This is by the brand Automat. In fact, I own several pieces by them. This long sleeve shirt, you could cuff it up if it's a little bit warmer. You can leave it open. You can pair this with a tank top. You can leave it in and of itself. I've been seeing this gauzy combination all over the place. In fact, yesterday I was on Z Supply and they were selling a bottom for about $100, $120, and then top for about anywhere from $60 to $80. So over $100 for a 2-piece set. It doesn't actually come in a set, if you know what I mean, but on Amazon, we've got you covered. And 100% cotton. This next jumper is so cute. This is reminding me of Free People, but for a fraction of the cost. I paired this one with a white t-shirt so that you could see. Now, I wanted to show you without a tank top or t-shirt underneath, but because of how this is styled and cut, it may show more side boob than you would actually want. So I prefer this one with a t-shirt or tank top underneath. On the back, the straps are fully adjustable. You could in fact cross these in the back if you wanted to. On my 5'7" frame, this is size small. This fit absolutely perfectly. Something that you could dress up or dress down. Very fun, very lightweight. And this color right here, I do not own many pieces in this particular color, but I'm definitely drawn to it. Very calming, very soothing. It's giving me lake vibes, yes. This next outfit did not come in a set. However, these shorts you're going to see several times throughout this video. It came in a 3-pack. There are a lot of color options outside of the ones that I'm showing you here today, so make sure you're clicking that master list down below. But this right here, paired with a white t-shirt, a white tank top, I'm going to be wearing these on repeat this summer. In this really fun brown baby doll button-down top, I love the lace trim detail here. It's kind of like lace. It has the appearance of lace. Love the color on it. The pleats on the front are also really fun. So you could tuck this in, you can leave it open and have it very airy and effortless. I love this color combination together. In fact, it's very similar to these striped pants that I just showed you. This is taking your everyday button down and just making it a little bit more girly and a little bit more fun. This next outfit did not come in a set, but these are the shorts from the 3-piece set that I just showed you. Love this green color. And then this button down, I love, love, love this. In fact, I showed you a short sleeve version of this and it was by a different brand. Very similar though. I love the ruffles on this. I love the green stripes. This is 100% cotton. There's a lot that you could do with these. In fact, I would love to wear these with some white jeans or white shorts. Yes. Maybe some fun green beaded jewelry, a little bit chunky. Oh, I can see it now. So many possibilities. Coming to you again with the shorts, part of that pack. This is in the black color. Love them so much. They're just so stretchy and comfortable and just, yes, everything about them. This really beautiful and fun pink baby doll button down top. You could tuck this in. You could leave it half tucked. You could leave it completely open depending upon what you want it to do. I love the ruffle sleeves here. The neckline on this is awesome. Love the buttons here so that you can button it up or button it down as much as you want to. Just effortless. I mean, how many times can I say this in this video? All these pieces are just effortless, feel really good on the body, and you can feel good wearing them. All these pieces that I'm showing you here today, you're going to be able to find at higher end retailers, but I'm showing you here on Amazon for a fraction of the cost, which I love. This dress. Now I put this on and my husband is over here working in the kitchen. He's like, ooh, I like this. He's like, are you going to wear that on Friday night? So fun in this beautiful green color. Very bohemian, very chic. I love the v-neck. This is by the brand Dakatu. I think that's how you say it. I own a ton of their pieces. They're very nice quality. So when I found one that was 100% cotton, I was even more excited. So stunning, so regal, and fun little pockets here as well. Only a couple more left. This gingham black and white checkered dress. Love the puff sleeves on this. Very flowy, very forgiving. You could also pair this with a belt should you want to. I think that would look really cute and fun. Love the buttons down here on the front so you can really button it down as low as you want to showcase some jewelry, or you could button it up a little bit higher depending upon what you have going on. It's not too short, but it does allow you to show a little bit of leg. And classic, black and white, one of my favorites. This dress in my top 5. I love a dress like this. Now, one of my favorite things to do is pair this with a belt because it's really going to elevate it just a little bit more. In fact, I just watched The Devil Wears Prada 2. Let me know if you've also seen that down in that comments box below. But this dress, just very chic, very elevated, is just giving me those vibes, but more of a Hamptons-esque vibe, if you know what I mean. Very East Coast, sitting out by the lake, sitting out by the pool, but you could also take this out for a date night depending upon where you are going. I live here in Minnesota by the lakes if you are brand new here. So this right now, award-winning in my book. What would be really fun to style this dress with would be some chunky white jewelry. It also has some fun pockets on it. What's really nice about this dress, it's super elevated, high end look for less, but it's so forgiving on the body. If you're feeling a little bit more bloated, if you're maybe not feeling the best in that waistline area, well, this has got you covered. By the way, I love any dress that can do that. Because at 41, I don't know, the body has a mind of its own. I remember my 20s or even in my early 30s, well, before I started having children, like back to back, I would wake up and my stomach would be like, amazing, it'd be great. But now at 41, like some days it's just like, are you having another baby or what is going on? But I have to say, I recently discovered that I am dealing with some thyroid issues along with the iron, which is getting better if you've been along here on the journey with me. So part of the bloat on certain days has to do with those thyroid issues. So working on getting that addressed. Oh, the joys of getting older. Hence the reason to look cute and put on pieces that make you feel awesome, right? This fun lemon dress. I saw this online. I was wondering, will the quality be as good as it looks? And my friend, it is. I love the rickrack straps on this. The front, very flexible here on the back as well. This just hugged my body very nicely. It also has the beautiful rickrack detail here on the bottom. A jean jacket with this, a white jacket with this, a white cardigan would look great. Even pops of yellow. Oh my gosh, just so many different things. things. I could wear this you could wear this to work if you put a blazer over top. You can wear this out for a date or a brunch or a lunch or a wedding or a baby shower. Just so stinking cute. Last but not least, this gingham 2-piece set. Yes, it did come in a set. I love the blue and white checker detail, the baby doll top with the tank top, scoop neck here. The pants are also very comfortable, very stretchy, great length on them. You could wear this with a white tennis shoe. You could wear this with a ballet flat. You could also wear it with a wedge sandal. I'm seeing 2-piece sets like this all over the interwebs from higher end retailers, but this one at a fraction of the cost and an excellent quality material, 100% cotton. I've got you covered. And this blue and white is just so fun. It just screams summer, by the lake, by the beach, by the pool. That's kind of where I want to be right now. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram and on Facebook at Andrea Jean Co, because I post over there almost every single day. In fact, sometimes you get the sneak peeks over there before they make their way to YouTube. And we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.